Hello. In today's video, I would like to talk to us about the subject I've titled The Power of Opportunities. Now, this is to encourage us that it is so important to learn to take advantage of opportunities in life as they show up. It could be opportunities in your career, in your business, opportunities for a better relationship, just for a better lifestyle in general. It could be an opportunity in your academics. Whatever area it is that you seek progress and success, learn to take advantage of opportunities as they show up to you in that area. You see, opportunities are the things that help move our lives forward. So when you know about an opportunity, don't just talk about it. Don't just discuss it with others. Do something about it. This brings to mind the story of a gentleman by name Emmanuel, who lives in Nigeria. He told his story one time of how in 1997 he got to know about the opportunity to buy some very cheap lands in a place called Lekki in Lagos. Now he said in that particular estate in Lekki, um, one plot of land was going for 200,000 naira as at that time. Now, having this information to himself, he didn't do anything about it. And he said when he got this information, he had 600,000 naira in his bank account saved up, but he didn't buy any, plot of land from that particular estate. Now, at that time, he said what was his focus was he wanted to publish a book which he was writing at the time. So he said on one of those days, he went to the publishing house that was helping him with the publishing work of his book. And when he got to this publishing house, he began to discuss the opportunity of buying lands from that particular estate with some other people whom he met in that publishing house. Now, when he discussed the opportunity with them, he gave them all the information about how to go to the place, how to meet with them person in charge, how to buy the land, how much was the cost of a plot of land in that area. He said when he gave them all that information and finished, his own business that brought him to that publishing house, he left. But then, fast forward 1 year later, he said he was at a fuel station trying to fill up his tank, when a gentleman drove over to him, came out of his car and greeted him with a broad smile on his face. And, after exchanging greetings with this gentleman, the gentleman walked back to his car and wrote a check of 500,000 naira. He came back to Emmanuel with this check and then he handed this check over to Emmanuel. And Emmanuel said, he asked the gentleman and said, but why are you giving me this money? And the gentleman said, I'm sure you've forgotten, about me, but I am one of the people, whom you told about the opportunity of buying some very cheap lands in Lekki. He said, I was in that publishing house the day you brought that information. He said, when you left, I went to that particular place and I bought 6 plots. And fast forward 1 year later, prices of lands had gone so high in that particular area. The gentleman told him how that he sold 3 plots out of the 6 which he bought for millions of naira, according to the story of Emmanuel. And the gentleman said that was how his life changed. So a simple opportunity which Emmanuel knew about, shared it with others, changed the lives of others, but didn't change his own life because he did nothing about the opportunity, even though he had some money saved up in his account, which he could have used to do something about it. Emmanuel said, the gentleman now said to him, say, I am sure that you made so much money from those lands because you are the one who brought the information to us. Emmanuel said he just laughed and then he thanked the gentleman and then he went over to his own car. He said when he got into his car, he sat down for some time and cried. He cried and cried because he missed out on that opportunity. What is the lesson for us today? In life, learn to take advantage of good opportunities. Do not always postpone them for the future. Do not always say, I will do it later. When you get to know of a good opportunity, be fast to invest into it, to run with it. These are the things you need to do to move your life forward, to go forward in life, to get to the top as you chase your dreams and your goals. So I'm encouraging you today not to be slack about, you know, pursuing opportunities. As you follow through with this guidance and with this step, I believe I will see you at the top. And when you will share your story, it will be a story of success. Until next time, keep winning, keep living the life of your dreams, and keep going places. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with people in your contacts. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.